What if I told you that the reason why you want to quit your YouTube channel, or the reason why that you think you are not doing one on YouTube, or the reason that make you feel bad that most people that you and that person started content creator want to grow their channel, but you are left behind because you are not applying those features that I'm going to teach you, because you are uploading your videos on the wrong way. I'm going to teach you a powerful ways that you can use to upload your videos and start getting views in the right way. Many of us use YouTube app to upload their videos, but that's the wrong way. YouTube app will not give you all the features that you need to customize your video, that you need to set up your video, so that YouTube algorithm will push your video and understand the particular thing that you do in that niche. Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you some things you need to know about this particular thing, that how you can upload your videos and start be getting views. You see, but this YouTube studio, if you're uploading your video on YouTube studio, you are doing the wrong thing. If you're uploading your video on YouTube app, you are doing the wrong thing. I'm going to teach you where you can upload your video and you will start having views. But before we dive in, my name is Amazing Grace. I'm a content creator and a YouTuber. If you're first time crossing my video, please kindly subscribe and drop your comment on the comment section. Let's go. Then the particular place you need to upload your video is YouTube desktop. What I mean, YouTube dashboard. Go on your Chrome version, search YouTube dashboard. They will pop up the link on you, and you click it and enter to the YouTube dashboard menu. In that YouTube dashboard menu, there is a whole place that you need to if you upload your video, they will ask you many things. You will go and set up many things so that YouTube algorithm will know that this particular channel, YouTube will know that this is the particular thing you do on your channel. You do everything that they ask you to do, every criteria. You set up your video so that when you upload that video will start getting views. Okay, that's why you say my video is not going viral, my YouTube algorithm is not pushing my video. That's why YouTube algorithm did not push your video, because you are uploading your video in the wrong way. I'm going to teach you how you can upload your video, how you can upload SEO, how you can put your description, title and everything, and thumbnail, so that you will get views. Most of you upload videos and do not put thumbnail because you are using a wrong place. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you can add everything, how you can customize your video and your YouTube channel, so that you start getting views. Because when you customize your video, when you upload your video in the right way and set up everything, I'm going to teach you where you can set it and put it, so that YouTube will start recommending your video to other people for them to watch. But before, go and make quality content that will do those people attention. That's the reason why YouTube doesn't push your video. When people doesn't find need or anything that will attract them in that particular video, YouTube algorithm will not do push that video. But aside of that, I'm going to teach you how you can upload a video in the right way, so that YouTube algorithm can also recommend your video, whether your video is not good or what. But because you edit your video in the right way, or upload it in the right way, YouTube algorithm will push that video. So without wasting time, I'm going to do some screen record on that, how you can upload a video in the right way, because most of us upload a video in the wrong way. That's why you are complaining I'm not getting views. In today's video, just keep it. I'm going to show you some things. If I'm doing things, I will show you some screen record. I'm not going to teach you anything, but without practice. You're going to do some practice about this, so that you know that what I'm telling you is the truth. And if you are using this particular YouTube app or YouTube dashboard, you know that you are doing the wrong thing. You go and focus on the YouTube desktop or YouTube dashboard menu to do upload your video. So without wasting time, we are going to do head into the teachings of today. Let's go. Okay, let me use this particular video to show you how you can upload your video. Okay, how you can upload the video on the right way using the YouTube desktop version in your Chrome version, not the YouTube app, not the YouTube Studio app, the YouTube Studio desktop version in your Chrome. So you press the video. As you can see, this is an African folktale story. Okay, so you go and put your title, okay, a catchy title. As you can see, this title say, parents, watch what your children are doing, Emeka and Ada shocking secret exposed. Okay, then you go and put a description that is very good. Okay, after putting a description that is very good, what you do now, you add a powerful thumbnail to it. I've added my own powerful thumbnail. Okay,
then you put a playlist. Okay, for those of you that doesn't know what playlist means, playlist is what, if you create a playlist, is will help YouTube to what, recommend your other video to people so that they will watch it. Okay, playlist is really helping. Okay, so you put your playlist, create a playlist. In my other video I will teach you how to create a playlist. Then what you're going to do, you will see is your video meant for kids? If it's meant for kids, you press yes. If it's not meant for kids, you press no. Okay, then you press show more. You scroll again. If you accept anything paid promotion, if you accept anything of value third party to make your video, you must let us know. You will show your viewers a message that tells them your video content paid promotion. This one remember that did they pay you that particular video that you upload, is it paid promotion for people to pay you for you to upload a video? If it paid promotion, you press it and you tick it. Okay, then you see here altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say something or do something didn't appear. Okay, alter footage of a real event or place. Generate a realistic looking scene that didn't occur. Okay, you see this place is a very powerful thing, and if you do not mark anything in this place, it means that you are not following the YouTube guidelines. If your video is altered content, it means that you tick yes. What do I mean by altered content? Whether it's AI generated, anything concerning AI, is it generated in your video or your thumbnail, is it generated by AI, or the video is it generated by AI, you press yes. But if a video is not generated by AI, you press no. Okay, let's read the downside. You say, to follow YouTube policy, you require to tell us if your channel or if your content is altered or synthetic and seem real. This include realistic sound or visual made with AI or other tools. Selecting yes adds a disclosure to your content. Okay, then you suppose that place is a very powerful thing. You post as these chapters, and you tick all those ones. Allow automatic places, yes, you add all of them. Allow automatic content, all of them. You go, then you put your tags. This is how to upload your video, optimize your video in full. Because if you don't optimize your video in fully, you cannot get views, and YouTube will not recommend the video. You put here, you can see this African photo story. You add everything concerning African folktale story. Okay, or if you are teaching, you add everything about YouTube growth or anything that you're teaching. You add the keywords so that it will help YouTube to recommend the video. You can select the language of your video. Okay, you can select description, title and description language. You put it in a language that you want. Okay, then allow embedding. You allow it embedding and allow publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. This will help you when you upload your videos. YouTube algorithm will notify your subscriber that you have uploaded a new video. Let's talk that you have up to 2,000 people, and YouTube notify your subscriber to 2,000 subscribers that you upload a video, and once you like it, they will watch it. Okay, then you get views. Allow audio video remixing. Put it on this one. When people use your audio remixing, it count as view. Okay, then you put your category. As this is a folktale story, is on file and animation. Okay, if you are teaching, you put it on was education, or if you are doing music or any type of film production, you put it on entertainment. Okay, then you allow all those things, show how viewers like this video, top comments and all those things. Then you come to this place. As you can see, this is the powerful thumbnail that I set. Then you come to this place. You see the file name, African folktale story about all parents should. You see this particular file name. When you generated your video from that particular software that you used to edit your video, go to the name, remain. If you use CapCut, you will see something like CapCut there, or something that is the file name. Go and change it to that particular story that you are teaching, or anything that you are teaching. You put it in that file name, you change it so that when you upload it, it will appear here. Okay, so that you show that the YouTube that the file name of your video is about African folktale story. Okay, then you add your visibility. When you generated your video, put it on schedule. Then you upload your end screen. Let's try to upload the end screen. You press the end screen here. Have you seen it? You select, let me show you. If it's this one, you press it, then you select best for viewers, or you use your own and select it. You press this one. Okay, you can select it like this. After selecting it like this, you press save. Okay, then you can add cards to your video. You press card, then you add it. If you can press plus here, you press plus. Okay, either it's video or playlist or your channel, you add it. Okay, it will help YouTube to what recommend the video. All the things that I mentioned here is how you can optimize and upload your video fully, so that YouTube will understand the particular video that you upload and help you to push the video. Thank you.